You probably think it's impossible to bake perfect cookies because of your oven or those generic recipes you've been following. But the truth is, the real problem isn't your oven, it's the recipe you're using. And most importantly, your technique. Hi, pastry chef. I'm Karen from Buttercream Pro, and after several months of work, we finally created a workshop with video classes where I will teach you, face-to-face and step-by-step, how to make giant New York cookies, crunchy on the outside and gooey on the inside, with unique and irresistible flavors designed to delight your customers and keep them coming back, helping your business to be full of orders day after day. Pastry chef, pay attention. Because with my all-new method New York Cookies Monster, you will achieve perfect dough recipes in flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and red velvet. I'll share with you more than 20 topping combinations we've created so far. But that's not all. You'll take your cookies to the next level with our irresistible filling recipes, and finally, in my decoration class, you'll learn how to make your cookies look super professional. You'll have all my baking, freezing, and storage tips. And you'll also become part of our exclusive pastry student community, where you will be able to share all your doubts and triumphs. I guarantee that your way of baking will change forever. You'll become that professional pastry chef, confident in your knowledge and proud of your products. All this knowledge is just one click away. Join my workshop right now and get certified as an expert in the art of baking cookies. Click any button on this page and I'll see you inside, pastry chef.